full face of makeup and hair. I haven't done this in forever. Starting the whole thing off, Tatcha Dewy Skin Serum. Love it. And for moisturizer today, I am using the Swiss line Cell Shock. This stuff is a divine. Use it on your neck. Ole Hendrickson for the lips. Obsessed with this balm. We're doing Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Cream for the under eye too, because of course we need to moisturize that under eye before, we do the makeup. Taking the hair out. It is dry, girl, so I'm using Pureology. This is a leave-in conditioning mist. I love it so much. It works so well for my fine hair. Wet brush, can't live without it. Nioxin, yes, I am using minoxidil to grow my fine, thin menopausal hair. I've been using it religiously, so I will update you, of course. Now, I bleach my hair, so I'm using a violet mousse. This is going to kind of like get rid of all the yellow and brassy bits and also give me a little bit more volume in my straight hair. CC Cream by IT Cosmetics Nude Glow. And of course this has SPF in it. That's why I love it so much. Look how beautiful. It's light, but it just covers everything that you need. And I have just been obsessed with it lately. I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Concealer. These are new. And I've been trying these out lately. Of course, I love all milk makeup, but I thought today I would do just a little bit more of a light glow since I've been doing some heavy glam lately. Go ahead and blend it all out. Now, if you don't want your under eye to crease, you're going to have to use Laura Mercier Translucid Setting Powder. So I'm going to get all the creases out first and then go in there and set that bad boy. So this will stay all day. No creasing for me. Thank you very much. Milk Makeup. These are their bronzers, you guys. All cream and liquids. Pounce them all over the skin. Now this is when I start getting really excited about my makeup, when the color starts coming back. I get really excited. It's dewy and beautiful. Yum. Also the liquid blush, and this is like peach color. It is so pretty. I cannot get enough blush in my life. How good is that? And of course, the Milk Makeup Bronzer. This is a bionic bronzer, and it just gives this all over glow, and I get really excited at this point. For eyes today, we're using the Double Day by Wonder Beauty. I love it because this is so easy. I'm using my finger. It has a cream product on one end. I'm gonna put it all over my eyelids. And then I'm gonna go in with this beautiful topper. Look at that shadow, that gorgeous glimmer of gold. It looks so beautiful and effortless, and I always get a lot of compliments on this product. Now I'm going to set the under eye again just to brighten everything up with this Makeup Forever. It's actually a powder foundation. I got it in a light shade just to brighten up my under eyes because I'm kind of crazy for a bright under eye. Thank you very much. Okay, brows today. This is the Edge by Haus Labs. I'm going to do my brows really quick. It probably took me a lot longer, but I edited it down. I'm just kind of focusing on the top edge there. Now my wing liner, you guys ask about this all the time. It's by Eye Method. It's my favorite because look, it can go right over liquids. It's literally $8.99 on my Amazon store. I cannot live without it. It's my most favorite. You guys always ask, so there it is. Caviar Mascara by Laura Mercier. I am a mascara snob. I have a lot, and I've been using this new technique of kind of pushing the mascara up only on the outer corner. Love it. Now I'm going to set the whole thing with NARS bronzer because I used all those beautiful creams. I have to set everything in place. Plus I cannot live without my NARS, so I always have to use it every day. I'm also going to use the same color to contour my nose and highlight it with the Too Faced new highlighter. Oh my God, this stuff is so good. It's like butter. It gives you this beautiful wet looking highlight, you guys. Oh my God, I cannot stand it. How good is that? I'm gonna put this all over my damn face because we're bringing 2015 back with a highlighter. Like, we're bringing it all back. It is so good. All over the face. I can't stop. All right, I'm gonna set that cream blush with Laura Mercier. This is also Peach. Peach is having its moment right now, so put it all over your face. Okay, these are the new NARS lipsticks. This is so creamy and so beautiful. It totally moisturizes my lips, but I like a super light foundation color lipstick. You guys know, so this is Michaela and Glam Light. Look at that when you mix it together. Oh, I'm a mixologist. So good. And then I'm going to put a liquid liner. And of course, it's Lip Injection by Too Faced. This is a plumping lip liner. I'm just going to contour those lips, give them a little more of a pout. My favorite look. Love it so much. Now, you guys, I'm going to set this whole thing with a Too Faced Born This Way setting spray because I don't want it to go anywhere. You know, I just worked on my face for 20 minutes. I don't want it to go anywhere. This, oh my God, you guys, this blow dryer, it's on my Amazon store. It's so good. It's kind of spendy, but it's worth it because my hair will be dry in like a minute. So I try to get all the moisture out. before I go in with a blow drying brush. Then I go in this big brush from Ergo and just kind of straighten out my hair, kind of get all the little flyaways. And then because my hair is so thin, I'm going to need to put some product in it. So I'm going to use, oh, I'm still blow drying. Go on, girl, go on, do your thing, do your thing. I'm gonna use the Better Not Younger thickening spray. I love this so much. It makes my hair look, and that means appear, a little bit thicker. And then the DP Hue hairspray just to set the whole look in place. And you guys, that's the end of the whole look. Spraying it down one more time. And you guys used to really love these Get Ready With Me makeup looks. So hope you guys love this. And yeah, tell me what you want to see next. Full face in natural light. And there you go. See you guys later.